If your carrier thermostat shows a lock icon and won't respond, the button lock feature is simply preventing changes to your settings. This feature is designed to stop accidental temperature adjustments, which is especially helpful in homes with kids or shared spaces. When the lock is active, you'll see a small lock symbol on the screen and the buttons won't respond. To unlock most carrier thermostat models, press and hold the mode button first. While holding it down, press and hold the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. Keep all three buttons pressed for a few seconds until the lock icon disappears. Once the symbol is gone, the thermostat is unlocked and ready for normal use. If that combination doesn't work, your specific model may use a slightly different method. In that case, check your user manual for model-specific instructions. If unlocking doesn't fix the issue or the thermostat remains unresponsive, you can try a system reset. First, switch the thermostat to off mode, then turn off the HVAC breaker at your electrical panel. Wait a few minutes to fully power down the system. After that, restore power at the breaker and turn the thermostat back on to your desired setting like auto, heat, or cool. If problems continue after these steps, contact a licensed HVAC technician to inspect wiring or internal components.